Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Manish Sharma. So here we are discussing about Plasma Desktop and what is the feature in the Plasma Desktop. So recently I had installed the Plasma Desktop in my system. So I have noticed some feature and I would like to tell you the feature which I feel happy. So here first we are starting simple by default. Plasma is designed to be used easy. So first thing first is launcher is too easy to use, and here you can see that you can easily access all the application by search and by the category like favorites, application, computer, history, leave. So the next thing is simple tray. The tray is too simple in this Plasma Desktop, and the system tray is in the system tray you can easily handle all the volume control, whether it is headphone controls or front microphone control. So you can also access your application if the application of audio recording is on. Third thing is notification. The notification, if it's easily come in your device, and you can easily assess that what will be happen and what will be happening. The last one is discover. You can easily discover your application which you want to install or which you want to uninstall, and you can also update your application from the discover. So let's move to the second category, which is powerful when needed. The Plasma is made to stay out of the way as it helps you get things done, but under its light and intuitive surface, it's a very powerful house. So you are free to choose way of uses right as you need them and when you need them. So first thing first is KRunner. KRunner is too essential or too handy to control your application or open your application and you can close it easily. So second thing is system setting. In the system setting you can easily control your whole desktop and customize your whole desktop according to you. And third thing is professional app. In Plasma Desktop there are a lot of application are supported, means you don't have to continue write the command in the terminal and you have to go in hassle to install your application. You can just easily install your application from the software application store. So third category is customizable. With Plasma the user is king. Not happy with the color scheme, can change it. Want to have your panel on the left edge of the screen, move it. Don't like the front, use a different one. Download custom widget in one click and add them to your desktop or panel. The first thing first is dark theme. You can easily customize your theme into dark theme or light theme or gray theme as well. So it's all up to you. Or the widget is too impressive look to give your desktop, and I love this thing because the widget is really helpful to access any kind of thing easily and visible everywhere. So the third thing is panel. You can change your panel as you want. If you want to put it down, top, right, left. Community extension. There are a lot of extensions are available in Plasma Desktop. You can easily install it and use it anywhere. Plasma Desktop is also rich in extension as in GNOME Desktop. So third thing is KDE Connect. I especially love it because if you have smart device and want to control your desktop and you want to control your smart device from desktop, so KDE Connect is help a lot. Send your vacation pictures, see what music is currently playing on your computer, move your mouse cursor during a presentation, power off your computer remotely before going to bed, all these from your Android device. Unfortunately Apple device is not have two operating system are have. The first is Google Play or Android device, and second is F-Droid. But as we know that Android device user are huge in community, so that's why Android device is too great. So in Android device you can easily control your media syncs, send file, notification access, and if in your phone you have any missed call or any call, you can easily control it from your desktop, or you can browse your device, send SMS from your device. Whatever you have to do, you have to do with your desktop, and you can also access your desktop from your device. So this is the main feature which you have in the Plasma desktop, and you really enjoy this feature. And if you want more video about this feature, then please subscribe my channel and write onto the comment section I love it. Then I will make more video about the feature, whether it is norm feature, Plasma feature, or XFCE feature, or Cinnamon feature. So let's see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.